Tornado warning!
In Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscaloosa. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscaloosa County in east central Ohio until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near East Sparta or near Dover, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Carrollton around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Augusta, Atwood Lake, Bird Knolls, Mineral City, Harlem Springs, Salineville, Zoar, Malvern, Delroy, and Summitville.